I'm going to talk about length contraction. Length contraction: when an object moves with a speed comparative to the speed of light, its length contracted in direction of its motion by a factor root of 1 minus v square upon c square. A more appropriate term is that it is apparent length contraction in relativity. Now we consider two frames of reference A and B. There are two sticks in frame A and B. A stick moves to the right with a speed u. The stick as viewed by a frame attached to it B. The stick as seen by an observer in a frame at rest relative to the stick. The length measured in the rest frame is shorter than the proper length by a factor root of 1 minus v square upon c square. Proper length is defined as the proper length of object measured in the frame in which the rod is at rest. L dash is the length measured in the frame O dash frame which is moving with respect to the object. The length of a moving object is measured to be shorter than the proper length. This is length contraction. If an observer at rest with respect to an object measures its length to be L dash, and observer moving with a relative speed u with respect to the object will find the object to be shorter than its rest length by a factor root of 1 minus v square upon c square. Length contraction only happens along the direction of motion. In 3D, the length contraction effect is a shortening of length plus a rod. Length contraction: when object is moving along x direction, then the length contraction is happened only along the x direction, while remaining the other dimensions are same. Derivation for length contraction: length of the stick which is placed in frame B measured by the observer O dash is L is equal to x2 dash minus x1 dash, and the length of the stick which is placed in frame B measured by the observer O is L dash x2 minus x1. Now use Lorentz transformation equation for space, and L is the proper length. x1 dash is equal to x1 minus vt divided by root of 1 minus v square upon c square. x2 dash is equal to x2 minus vt divided by root of 1 minus v square upon c square. Then L is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by root of 1 minus v square upon c square, and L is equal to L dash divided by 1 minus v square upon c square. This is the relation of the length contraction in relativity. Thank you.